Birthdays are important for me. I like to remember people's birthday. And I like my birthday to be remembered. That's why I decided to create a form in my recent project. I sent it to my colleagues to write down their birthdays. This is what I got. Harry types his name instead of writing his birthday. William maybe type, then before saving, he pressed the keys on the keyboard, saved and sent it. Alan, it is point and comma. Because I sent this file to Evan after Alan, that's why maybe Evan accidentally typed this strange birthday for Alan. Now, I want to use data validation to avoid these crazy inputs. Here, I want to command Excel not to use alphabets in birthday cells. For this purpose, we need data validation. I use another column for birthday to show the differences. Highlight the cells. Go to Data and Data Validation. Allow any value. No. Allow in drop-down, select Date. OK between these dates. And OK. I copy the birthdays onto Louis Ray. It is date, and the data validation allows to be inserted. We suppose when Harry wants to type his name instead of date, he gets this warning. The same William, and whenever Evan types accidentally on Ellen's birthday cell, this is the warning what he faces. So, just dates are allowed to be inserted. Yes, this column is what I got from my colleagues about their birthdays. But, Alan, you have to fill your birthday again. With data validation, you want your colleagues indirectly to enter the suitable data. Here, I just needed the dates of birthdays, but you can use just to enter text or decimal numbers, or any listed options in data validation.